In this video, I'm going to show you how to make rice pudding. You need 4 cups of rice, 2 cups of raisins, and I already soaked this in hot water and then drained them. We need 4 cups of milk, a box of instant vanilla pudding, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla, imitation vanilla. So first, you take the 4 cups of rice, you boil 4 cups of water, add 4 cups of rice to it, cover it with a lid, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then the rice is done. Okay? So once you get the rice done, then you add the raisins in that we soaked in hot water first to make them soft. Then you add 4 cups of regular milk. And then we add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then the instant vanilla pudding. And then we just mix it all together. And then we put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for about an hour, and then you can eat it. While it is soaking all together, the rice will soak in a lot of the milk, so it will be a lot thicker by the time you get it out of the refrigerator. And I hope you enjoy your rice pudding. Again, it is 4 cups of rice, 2 cups of raisins, a box of vanilla instant pudding, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 4 cups of milk, and make sure you use instant rice because there is the cooked rice too. We just want the instant rice. And like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.